Hello everyone in cyber world. Welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. Today we're going to build and install shelves for the closet organizer.
So let's get right into it.
On our original blueprints, we didn't actually draw out the dimensions for the drawers themselves, so we're figuring it out right now.
We are ready to go, so now we cut the pieces. We are making pocket holes on the drawers where it won't be seen.
And now to assemble the drawers.
Once the drawers have been assembled, we install the drawer slides.
I miscalculated and ran out of pre-stain and had to use a different brand. I also ran out of wood and had to use something totally different for the drawer face.
We had to stain it several times to match the closet. Now we added polyurethane.
We installed the rest of the drawer slides inside the closet itself.
Next, we install the faceplates and the hardware. And there you have it.
So technically we are finished with the closet organizer.
Hopefully we will receive the new lighting that we have ordered to install into the closet for next week.
So until then,
Bye-bye.